what it is, what's up? It is girl Cassandra Liz, and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. As you guys can see, I am definitely outside of my comfort zone, but I had to bring back something that I haven't did, something that's not on my page. And if you guys are not following my beauty page on Instagram, it is I am Cassandra Liz right here. Go follow your girl. Ooh. And for those who do not know me and who are looking around lost in the sauce, make sure you guys click that subscribe button. Make sure to click the bell right beside it to get future post notifications every single time I post a new video. Like, don't you guys want to know? Don't you guys want to be the first to know? Like, no? So in today's video, I'm clearly a tad bit out of my comfort zone, but I had to try the Bhcosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. These shadows are absolutely amazing. I have been looking for a colorful palette for a very long time, and these mattes are just so bomb. There's 35 pigments in here and they are just so amazing. I obviously just used a few shadows from this palette, but overall I am very impressed. Bhcosmetics never disappoints. They never disappoint. Enough of all that. Let's just hop into this video and yeah.